Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 22nd of August 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the 4th week of August. Let's kick off with spot gold. And last week it continued to trade in a range with resistance up at the 21 fib retracement near the 2000 mark, and support at the 50 fib retracement just around the level of the 2011 high of 1920.70. That was the previous all-time high. And this was after the previous week where it had attempted to rebound after a significant retracement back down to the 62 fib retracement level. And this was from a swing low after the breakout and to the current all-time high at 2075. So this week we could continue to see further retracement, and looks like this is still going to be a major support zone with the resistance up here as well. So it could just continue to consolidate for the week. If it does break down lower, then there is support at the 62 fib retracement, right where the daily 55 EMA is climbing up to as well. So there's a confluence there at the 1872 level. And if it does break out higher, we'll see whether this zone will provide some resistance, where the last week there was a weekly R1 level. So this coming week there's a few minor US related news with consumer confidence, durable goods orders, and a preliminary GDP figure, and a couple of days of a key summit at Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It's an annual event. But from the current outlook, there doesn't seem to be any fundamental reason to break out higher. It may continue to trade in this range, although the US dollar is attempting to recover as well. And this was the Wednesday news, the FOMC meeting minutes release, and fall from the spot gold, the US dollar climbing up to recover slightly. So we'll see whether there's further attempts to recover for the US dollar. Let's clear this for now. And this is the US dollar index with the fall from early July down to hit a low at the early part of last week at 92. It's attempting to recover, and it could try to recover up to the 38 fib retracement level. Let's mark this instead with ellipse here at 93.95, so attempting to climb back up to where the 4-hour 200 EMA is as well, near 94. So we'll see whether it's able to recover for next week and attempt to maintain this short-term bullish move. But with major resistance up here. Alright, so if it does recover, as what I mentioned in the other video on the other major pairs, if it does come up here, then potentially there could be a resumption of the bearish move for the US dollar. So we'll see how it pans out for next week, the final week for the month. Alright, let's take a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen is also exposed to the same news for the US dollar for next week. And after initially falling to almost the 105 level, it found support at the weekly S2 pivot and recovered back up to the previous swing low at the 100 fib, just above 106, and consolidated just below that for the rest of the week. So it is attempting to recover and climb back up, but it may not be much higher. It's 55 EMA is sloping down towards the last week's weekly pivot, so it's around the 106.50 level. We'll see whether it's able to climb back up to the 78.6 fib retracement just below 107. Alright. So all depends on the US dollar index, whether it's able to recover. This will help the dollar yen, and this will force a further retracement in spot gold. Right, there's no other major news, and we're coming up to the final week of August, so chances are there's a high probability of just range trading for next week. Alright, so meanwhile, stay safe and have a good trading week ahead, and cheers for now.